Hey bruvies, welcome back to my channel. The whole freaking Monday today. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. If it's your first time watching or clicking on this video, welcome. Hey, thank you so much for choosing to watch, and I hope that you subscribe, like, and also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. So today's video is going to be a week in my life of school. I know it looks weird, like I'm standing and it feels like I'm giving a presentation. I don't know why. This is my fit for the day. I'm like laying down my hair. I just did this morning. Like, I don't like laying down my hair in the morning, but I forgot that I wanted to do this hairstyle this morning. So I forgot I wanted to do this hairstyle for today, so I ended up like, but anyway guys, look at my background. It looks so cute. Actually, it does look cute. I wanted to do like a room like transformation video, but I have the clips, but it's just not giving what it needs to give. But anyway, this is my fit. So I'm wearing these mom jeans from Edgar's, and then I'm wearing this top from Mr. Price. So yeah, so this is the fit. I really like it. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I was gonna wear my Puma shoes, but I feel like I wear them so much because they go with everything all of a sudden. You know, when you like a shoe, you are able to make it go with everything. Like, every outfit is gonna make sense. But I think I might just wear my white Adidas, the ones that I always wear. Or yeah, because it's a Monday, I just want to look chilled, so that's why I'm like just so chilled and stuff. Like, you know, it's giving, we're chilling, we're giving like we are dressed because we want to look good, but at the same time we're just chilling. And then with my hair, I'll show you guys the hairstyle real quick. I think it has been under here for some time now. There we go. So I just put my hair in down, and then I clipped it at the back with this clip. I don't know how it looks. And then we did this puff situation, and I think it looks so cute with this outfit. Tell me I'm wrong. I know I'm not. And then I tried to do baby hairs, which I'm not good at. So that is that. So that's my fit for today. It's a whole Monday, so I'm gonna be going to class. It's looking like this. I think I look cute. I just need to fix whatever's going on in front here. So now I'm gonna have breakfast, and then we're gonna get ready and leave. I don't know if I should take a tote bag or my school bag. I'm most likely gonna take my school bag, or maybe I should just take my tote bag. I don't know, I'll decide. I'll see which one looks good, like what vibe I'm going for. Am I trying to look like, you know, those chic students, or I'm just trying to look like a student, you know? We'll see.
Your jaw. My mom told me I had a big jaw.
So, like, say hi, Julia. Yeah. There's so many things I should know.
Okay, y'all. Lighting. Just came back from class. It was a really quick class, but enjoyed it nevertheless. I have fun seeing my friends on this beautiful Monday morning. So now it's time to rest. So I think I'm just gonna like chill. I have to charge my battery because it's like flicking. So I'm just gonna chill and maybe try prepare for the next class that I'm gonna go to, if there's anything that I need to prepare for, just so that I can have like a, I don't know, an understanding of what's happening. But for now, I'm gonna wash the dishes because I have like a lot of dirty dishes in my room. Well, not a lot, but like, you know, from last night and yesterday morning and this morning. So I'm gonna wash that quickly, and then later on we're going to meet with Mbumi because she has a doctor's appointment, and she wanted to like go to the doctor that I went to like when I had flu the other time. So I'm gonna like escort her there because she does not know like where it is exactly, and I don't know like the street name and stuff, so I'm just like, I can take you there, you know, but obviously I can't tell you where it is because I don't know, but I know where it is like walking there, but I don't know where it is like with street names and yeah. But anyway, my hairstyle is giving.
Hi to the vlog. And they can't see you properly. Hi guys.
Ja, jy sien, dis hoekom ek na die tyd het.
She has an ear infection. Sorry, babe.
So my problem is only getting fixed on a Thursday. Now I want it now.
No, they're gonna cure your infection with the medicine you're gonna take, and then when you come, they're just gonna clean your ear out. What happened?
The pressing news, we came all the way here, where it was early, and then guess what? The teacher cancelled class when we were in the class.
Yeah.
No email, nothing.
Nothing.
This is South Africa, welcome. Welcome. No news, nothing. Sit down and get up again.
The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag.
Hey y'all, so today is a whole Wednesday and I got kicked out of my room this morning because the apartment was getting fumigated because of all the cockroaches that are there and stuff. So my roommate called the people, so they were like, if we're gonna fumigate the place, nobody has to be inside the place for about 4 hours. So I had to find a place to go to for 4 hours. I think they started fumigating the place around 9, so it's 10, 11, 12, 1, right? So yeah, so I can go back to my room around 1 o'clock. So right now it's 12:30. I've been in Nola's room. I'm in Nola's room right now. It's so pretty. Look at the aesthetic. Ooh, I like it. It looks so cute. Stable. We back at it. Let me show you my Thursday fit. I know I did show you like a cute little montage, even though I did not do so much today. But I'm wearing this shirt. I think I wore this shirt on, was it? No, it was last week. So yeah. And then I got my dad jeans on. And then we got our faves for the now. Our favorite sneakers, the Puma sneakers. I don't know what they call them, but I know they're like lows. So anyway, I got some delivery stuff from Take a Lot. So we get to open and see what I got. Well, I already know what I got because I ordered this myself. It felt like such an impulsive buy. So I ordered a screen protector for my phone because my phone desperately needs a screen protector. Like, y'all, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, you see that those parts, and like it's just cracked around the edge. Like even down here it's like cracked. These parts that look like it's like a reflection or something, it's like cracks. And then the screen, I don't know how to show you guys how cracked the screen is. You see those lines there, and there's one at the top. So the screen is pretty much cracked. It has been through the most. And like, I don't know if it happens to me alone or it also happens to you guys, but have you guys experienced that, like when you get a new cover and you put it on? Like, I haven't dropped my phone in so long, but best believe the moment I get the new screen on, it's gonna crack. And then I also got these AirPod or InPod. So fancy. The packaging looks so cool. I got them in gray. I read the reviews on this and a lot of people said only one like side works. Some people were like they work good. It was like a bunch of mixed reviews everywhere, so I did not know what to do. But my roommate has these, and she said like it's a good purchase, but the sound quality, she wouldn't like recommend it if you like somebody who likes, you know, a good, I don't know, sound. I don't know, but she said sound quality is not recommendable. And then I got my screen protector, which I am so excited about. I can't wait to put this on. But I want to open this because I want to show you guys the color I got. So it comes in different colors. So we have black, we have blue, we have gray, white, and then on the website they also had, like the Take A Lot website, they also had pink, yellow, blue. So I mean, you have that going for you, depending on like what you want to do. I chose a gray because I love the color gray. I don't know, it's just a beautiful color. And when I saw it, I was caught between black and gray and white, but white was sold out, so that made the decision for me. So then it was between black and gray, and I was like, you know what, let's pick gray, because I feel like gray is the middle ground for black and white, you know. So let's open it. Ooh, baby, it looks cute. It's giving what it needs to give. I love it. Oh, and it feels so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so me. Let's focus. Oh, look at these babies. Look at that. Ooh, and then you put it in your ear. I never in my life thought I would own these, because I've never been interested in owning these. But when I saw them on my roommate though, ooh, no, it looked good. It really did. And they don't look bad. They fit well in the ears, you know, if you want to try these. I got them on Take A Lot for $150, and then the screen protector, I got it on Take A Lot for 55 Rand. Yeah, girl, I'm trying to save. I'm not trying to spend like that, okay? We're all about saving. And it's hizzy. Oh, and then it has a charger. Oh, so you charge this. I wonder if this thing can charge an iPhone. I really do wonder. It looks like an iPhone charger. So yeah, we have that going for us. I'm gonna probably put this on later when I'm like calm and stuff. But I've also had other gifts that I got to unwrap, birthday gifts from my friends. Thank you to all my friends who sent me birthday gifts and sent me something, you know, to celebrate my birthday. It really means so much to me. So I'm gonna play the clips of the things that I got throughout the week, last week, that I recorded my unboxings. And yeah, it can be an unboxing session this wonderful, beautiful Thursday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that segment, and see you guys now, because I think I'm gonna go to the mall with Michaela. The gift I'm about to unbox is from Rata K. So I got a package from Take A Lot. Like, I already know what it is, because I mean, she asked me like what I wanted, so I told her what I would like. And yes, I'm hoping it's what I think it is. Like, trying to open this box. Got some chips. I knew there was something weird about this. I just saw something, sorry. Something weird, because I kept on shaking the box and I'm like, what is in here? Because of, so she actually got me the combo thing. Why is it so hard to come out? I am so happy. So I got this one, and now I got this one. So cool, so cool. Thanks Taliso for this book. Thank you Ngati for this book. And it comes with a guide, study guide. Now that is cool if you ask me. I'm like, what? So let's get started. So I'm like just trying to tear off. I love unboxing stuff. It is so fun. Like opening it with the scissors. It's not the sharpest, but it's getting the job done. So yep. Okay, so it's a taser gun and pepper spray. And then I think I'm more excited for this. It's a diary with no pen. On the thing it had a pen. Here it does not have a pen. was really excited to open it. But yeah, we got this gray silver diary. Ooh. And then when we open it, it's cute. Ooh. Anyway, I got a delivery package, cotton on. So I'm gonna open the package now. It should be fairy lights in here. Nothing much. But as I open this, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video, turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload, because why wouldn't you want to be notified? This is such a huge box for what I'm about to show you guys. Like, it's so huge. Like, why the drama? Right? But anyway, as I try open this, let's see. Ooh, they look so cute. I got these. They're called the USB premium cassating lights. So I'm gonna put these in my room. I'm gonna open it now. It's from Typo, by the way. It was like hella expensive though, honestly, if you ask me. I'm just like, but I had a voucher, so I used the voucher to purchase these. So y'all, original price is $500. So this is how it looks inside. I'm gonna take them out because I am so curious to like see how long they are. I know it says they're 3 meters long, but yeah, but I don't even think I have time to like see. I probably will see this when I get back because I need to get ready to go to class. So I'll check this out properly when I get back from home. But this is so exciting. I've been waiting for this for like the weekend. So we got them. We got the cassating lights. I think it's gonna look really cute with everything all together.
The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on, we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guava in my shorty bag.
Alrighty, y'all. So now it's time for the verse of the video, and our verse for the video for today is from Matthew 18 verse 20, and it reads, "For where 2 or 3 gather together as my followers, I am there with them." And I found this verse to be a beautiful verse to share today with you guys because it's just a beautiful reminder to know that as we gather for Bible studies, or like when we have conversations about the Lord and his kingdom, and we just glorify, you know, his name, and we get together in the name of Jesus, his presence is there with us. So it's a beautiful reminder to know that God is there with us, even in those conversations where it feels like he's not. He is there, you know. So keep on talking with your friends, keep on having those discussions, keep on doing the Bible study group sessions and everything, because his presence is there in the midst of it all. Yeah, so that is the verse of the video. I just hopped out of the shower right now, so that's why I'm looking a little crusty. It's a Friday today. So y'all, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, the school, going to school with me and stuff. It was really fun. I really enjoyed filming this vlog. So yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. I love you guys to the moon and back on earth, and most importantly, Jesus loves you, and never forget that. Okay. Bye.